Hi, and welcome to the first half of the second module, RLA Module 2A, Central Ideas and Themes. I'm going to walk you through how to complete this module. You are in the tasks lists. The module objective is, by the end of this module, you will be able to locate explicit textual information such as central idea and theme. Central idea and theme is something that will come up a lot on the RLA GED test. So first, you're watching this module. Second, you will begin working on any unwaived lessons and drills on Aztec. So in this section, we're working on the activity unit, central ideas and themes. Let me show you how to get there. You'll come to Aztec. You'll go to View Classrooms. Come to the GED Language Art Reading course where you completed your lessons before. You'll come to Learning Plan. Click the Learning Plan tab, and then you'll find the section called Central Ideas and Themes. You don't need to worry about taking the post or pre-test, but you will need to complete any lessons that are unwaived. These two are waived. They're blue check marks, so I don't need to complete those, but I do need to complete this lesson. It is the empty circle. So I also need to complete the not completed drills. So I need to complete this lesson and complete these 3 drills because those circles are empty. Then after completing those lessons, you'll complete the post-test for central ideas and themes and submit your score the way you did for Module 1. You will also respond to a writing prompt on Canvas, discussion 2A. So for this discussion, we're going to read a short article. This article is written by a GED student, Juan Berenger. I don't know, I probably butchered that, but this is from a collection of articles written by GED students or ESL students. So you'll click the link to read the article. It's very short. Your computer will download it, and then you'll write a reply of 3 to 5 sentences describing a time that you were resilient. So in the article, Juan will talk about resiliency. See if it has downloaded. I'm trying to pull up this article. Here it comes. So resilience is what this article is about. So it's very short, 1 page. So read that article, then come back to the discussion where you will write a reply to this question, describe a time you were resilient. And that is all you will need to complete for Module 2A, and then you will be moving on to Module 2B.